What's up guys, my name is Top Secret R35 and welcome to my office. So I don't think I've ever shown you guys the space, but this here is my office. This is where I produce all my videos and do personal work and blah blah blah. So today what I'm going to do is rearrange this entire place to make it more Feng Shui firstly, and then after that we're going to have a little small tour and I'll show you guys all the equipment I have, everything that I use to make the videos. Check these 6 shelves, I put them up about a week ago. I'm pretty proud of those. So I've been installing this for long. Let's finally get to it. So there are 3 main objectives today. The first thing is, when I first got this owl desk, I put it here. I'm actually going to move it from here into the corner over there. And then I want to move all these shelving and stuff and little drawers into the closet and organize that a bit better. And then I might bring up my PlayStation 2, which is in the basement, and put that in the corner over there, depending on the space.
That's 2006.
Alright guys, step 1 was a success. Everything in the closet, everything nice and compact, but I can still use it all and access it should I need to. And that has already opened up the space over here to do everything else. So the next step is to unplug everything, and that's going to be a nightmare, but it's all going to be worth it soon. Alright guys, good progress so far. Everything unplugged, everything just laying all over the place. Oh my goodness. Time to move the desks into position and get this job done. Alright guys, it is literally the next day and I finally have finished up the setup of my setup, and it is looking great inside here. Much better Feng Shui, much more space, even though I moved in my PlayStation 2 with all my old school games. I got some SSX Tricky playing over there. The area is still great and it's going to be so much better to produce the videos now and etc, etc, just be more productive. The most important thing probably was moving everything into these closets and just opening up the space so much more. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Boy, this took long. It took me over like 24 hours. But hey, it's done now. Peace.